At Ad Libertas, we build tools to help app developers make better apps. That's why today I'm excited to announce our newest product, Ad Libertas Audience Reporting. Audience reporting is a sophisticated tool that allows app developers to measure revenue impact of specific user events, actions, or groups of actions. For instance, how much does an onboarding tutorial affect LTV? What does IDFA opt-out do to LTV? What are the actual earnings, not estimated or aggregated, the actual earnings of an acquisition campaign? What is the actual revenue of the A and B variants of an A/B test? Now, normally, this is very difficult to do. You have to download gigabytes, sometimes terabytes of data a day, universalize it, store it in an offsite location, write massively complex SQL queries to make sense of the data. It ends up being too much scope for any app developer to be able to do. But it is important to do it. This is the way that you're going to make better apps, make more money from your apps, find out who are your valuable users. Getting started is easy. All we need are your credentials of your analytics and revenue providers. No SDK is needed. From there, we download your information and store it in a private data lake, providing you visual reporting. To create a report, first we create an audience. An audience is defined as an event or chain of events and user characteristics that define a group of users. From here, we can report on the revenue metrics and performance metrics of these users and audiences as compared to each other over time. One of my favorite examples is users who have signed in and opted into sharing the IDFA. As you'll notice with the blue line, the users who have opted into sharing the IDFA have a significantly higher CPM. This, over time, actually makes for a very much larger LTV on day 90 for these users. For a second example, let's explore the number of games that a user plays and how that impacts LTV. The gray line is someone who's completed 0 games. The red line is a user who's completed 2 games. And at the very top, we have a blue line, which is users who have completed 5 games. As you can imagine, this has a dramatic impact on LTV. As you can see, we've just scratched the surface of how audience reporting can help you better understand the value of your user actions and characteristics. If you'd like to see it in action on your app, please get in touch with us for a trial or demo.